and you are here in my kitchen for my next vlog. We are making cheeseburger omelets, and right now I'm just browning the meat with the onion, and by this point I've already gotten rid of all the grease, and I've added my tomatoes. We're adding 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, but I'm going to stir it up a little bit here. I didn't want to talk that much this week, so you got me for 3 minutes and 15-ish seconds. Well, over 3 minutes. So here goes the second one. And then next, we're going to bring out our pink Himalayan salt and just do 2 pinches of that. And then coming back with 2 dashes of parsley. Then black ground pepper. I did a dash of it. You can also choose to do 2 pinches, but I didn't have the type of container to do so. And then while all the steam goes, we're going to get our mustard ready. And because I don't like to waste dishes, I'm using the same tablespoon I used for the Worcestershire sauce, however you like to say it. And I did 1.5 tablespoons of mustard. And you mix it in, and it's just enough to get that little bit of taste as you put it in your omelet. So when you are all done with this meat, you set it aside and you start to get your omelet ready. I used olive oil here, and I pre-mixed my egg here, and I used 3 eggs. You can choose to use more or less. It's all according to your preference. And when you have the egg nice and cooked, you add in your meat. And I did about 2 scoops with this spoon, and it made for a decently hefty serving and a pretty thick omelet, but I think it was just the right amount. And then, of course, because I like cheese, I used actually the same taco cheese from last week because I got that big bulk bag, if you remember. So I just used the taco cheese here. You can use whatever cheese you prefer. And then finally, I fold it onto my plate, which sometimes goes easier, sometimes not so much. So this made a little bit of a mess, but when I folded it, here's how it looks. You can always follow me on Facebook or go to my website to subscribe to get new recipes every week. Otherwise, check out my YouTube page and subscribe.